Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see how to create a Databricks free edition account so that we can do all our Databricks practice. So you have to come to the Google, you have to search for the Databricks free edition something, Databricks free edition. Click this. You can see Databricks free edition, it is coming. Previously Databricks Community Edition was different. Now Databricks free edition Databricks is providing, it looks similar to the production version. In a production, in a company, whatever the Databricks version we use, right, the similar kind of the same UI you will see in a free edition also. So we are going to use that. Click on the free edition, and after that you will see try Databricks. Click on the try Databricks here. Once you will click on the try Databricks, right, here you will get a few options. One is the use express setup, start your free trial. You do not have to click here, because if you click here, right, it will provide you 30 days free trial, I guess. After that you have to pay, means pay as you go, this will happen. And the second one is like if you want to use any of the cloud account, with that if you want to use that, you have to click here. But we are going to use a free account, right? So in the bottom you can see login for Databricks free edition. You have to click here. Click here. After that you have to log in with your email ID. You have to create an account, right? So what I will do, I'll give my email ID here. Click on the continue, and after that we have to pass the verification code. After that give your name, your account, country we have to select. Click on the continue, protect your account. You can see verification completed. Where are you located, this is coming, and it is in progress. Setting up your account. Now you can see our Databricks is ready. This is the Databricks free edition. In left side, whatever the option you are seeing, right, if you will buy the Databricks paid version also, you will see the same screen, and this is the upgraded one. Whatever the previous community edition we were using, right, there you will not see this all the option. This is the new version, latest version. Here you will see the Unity catalog, here you will see the compute option. There are so many options available. So let's try to explore.